Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a breathing exercise I like to do to prepare my body for movement. And I really do it because your breath is where strength starts. Strength starts from the center out, and it comes from your breath. So what I do is a sniffing routine to jumpstart my inner core muscles, the muscles that support my spine, and just to turn everything on and make sure I like to feel the connection. By the way, this is a great way to help restore your pelvic floor also. So I'm going to take you through a series of positions and sniffs and puffs. I'm going to take you through some breathing exercises that you can do just to help you move better and be stronger. So here we go. The first one is get short, hold your shins or your thighs, whatever's comfortable, and I'm going to raise my head and I'm going to sniff in several short bursts like this. I don't know if you can see what's happening in the middle here, but and so this is a great way to restore the health of your pelvic floor. You can feel your diaphragm and pelvic floor bounce together as you sniff in. So that's the sniff in, but I'm also going to puff out or blow out forcefully, but also short in the exact same manner, but just opposite. So it looks like this. Now, you can do this through your nose, but if you've got a stopped up nose, you're just going to shoot snot across the room, and your wife may not like that, or your husband may not like that, or anyone around you may not like that. So I'm doing it through my lips. And again, when you breathe in, the diaphragm and the pelvic floor drop. When you breathe out, they both rise together. And you can feel that. You can feel the drop on the sniff, and you can feel the rise on the puff or the blow. I don't know what it is. That was the first one. And the next one, gonna get in the same position but flipped over. Do the same thing, and you can probably see what happens to my middle. And let me tell you, you can feel that once you become aware of the connection, you can feel it all on your backside. Now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to puff. I also like to do it in this position because it just feels good. It feels powerful. That was the inhale. Here's the exhale. You can probably see the reaction of my body, my entire body move as I do the exhale. Next position. Oh, by the way, this can be like 10 puffs, 10 sniffs, whatever. You can just do one position. You don't have to do all the positions. I like to run through them all just because I'm weird that way. Next position or next way is like this. And then the puffs. Next position is the power pose. And again, I like to put my fingers here because I can feel everything happening. And it's like this. Puffs. And you feel the connection. I know it's weird, but if you try this, you'll be like, okay, yeah, I got that. All right, cool. I'm going to show you one more position, but it requires me to move. So be right back. All right, now this might be my favorite because it feels kind of cool. So you're trying to sniff air in down into your belly. And when you're hanging, man, you feel the breathing muscles in your spine, around your spine. Oh my goodness, it's just a different feel. Check this out. Now I'm going to do the blow or the puff. You got to come up with a better name for these things, guys. And you can see it moves my whole body. So this actually becomes a great shoulder exercise as well because my shoulders are getting gentle traction. And my shoulders are getting some gentle work here. It's getting gentle action. How about action's a good word? Here we go. Anyway, guys, that is it. I know it seems weird as, well, it's pretty weird. But it is a great way to jumpstart your inner core muscles, to get everybody dancing and playing together. It wakes the body up, gets you ready to move, and it's a great way to ensure that your pelvic floor is healthy. Again, your inner core muscles, which is your diaphragm, your pelvic floor, your transverse abdominis, and your multifidi, they are the secret to strength. And when they're all working well together, you are strong, healthy, and able. All right, that's our tip for this week, our weird tip of the week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.